Hi, so he is Appaso, a 70-year-old villager from a nearby village, Ichalkaranji near Kolhapur, who had a fall and he developed two fractures in the spine. As you can see here, he had a fracture in the upper part and the middle part of the thoracic spine, giving rise to deformity of the spine, compression, pain, and this is the spinal cord which goes behind. If untreated, this could give rise to progressive deformity, pain, and even compression of the spinal cord. So, in spite of conservative treatment, bed rest, and medications, he did not heal. And so, what we had planned was stabilization of the spine using a technique called as sublaminar wiring.